Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Countif function in Excel. Using the Countif function in Excel helps you quickly and efficiently count cells that meet specific criteria, making data analysis faster and more accurate. So let's start the video. First, open up your Excel worksheet. Here we have a list of products and their corresponding quantities. The Countif function allows us to count a number of cells that meet a specific condition. The basic syntax is equal to Countif range, which refers to the group of cells you want to count, and criteria refers to the condition that must be met for a cell to be counted. Let's say we want to count how many times the product apple appears in our list. So we will enter the formula is equal to Countif starting bracket, then select the range. A2 to A10 is our range, comma, and apple is our criteria. Now close the bracket, press enter, and Excel will return the count. As you can see, apple appears 2 times in our list. Now let's try another example. This time we want to count how many products have a quantity greater than 5. We will use the formula is equal to Countif. Here B2 to B10 is our range. Now type greater than symbol and then type 5. Greater than 5 is our criteria, so close the bracket. Now press enter and Excel will give us the count. There are 4 products with quantities greater than 5. So that's how to use Countif in Excel. Thanks for watching.